Hello, guys, and welcome back to another live at Voice of Crypto with David Blunt. Before getting to any content, I would love to do our quick disclaimer. None of this content is a financial advice. You must do your own market research. With that said, let's have a look together on a crypto market updates. Let's see what's actually playing out. I am currently on my same trade position. As I mentioned yesterday, the Bitcoin price is currently trading at 66,620 at the moment, and the 200 EMA is starting to pump once more to the upside. So next level to watch, 68,000 USDT for the Bitcoin price, or 70K. It is likely to retest the resistance once more. However, we are going sideways and we have a couple of things to analyze. Moving back to Ethereum, I remain to be bullish on Ethereum, as well as we are just once more retesting the 200 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame. So if we don't manage to just keep going up, I could potentially exit this trade. But however, if we do manage to see Ethereum at 3,400, I would keep this trade open until 4,000 USDT, and I personally believe that we are going to reach that. So now, though, if you are trading or accumulating or having any strategy, remember, we are going to see manipulations a lot. We are going to see sideways momentum and also breakout and fake outs. So be very, very concerned that both things could happen. Just make sure to hold and wait and take the next decision on the right opportunity. Moving back to Solana update, it is very, very similar to Ethereum somehow. We are having this bearish momentum on the other side on the 4-hourly time frame, but I don't feel like it's a bad or a very deep thing. I will keep holding Solana until 200 USDT. Okay, so I do believe that we are going to retest once more this level. Here is the chart, so you can have a look yourself on what is currently happening. Be careful with fake downs here, or sideways movements. So I think the best option right now is to keep waiting on this trade. However, we are in profits, so as long as we are in profits and manage our risk, it is very, very cool. Moving into the latest news today, the Bitcoin well funnel hits the BTC price goes below 67K liquidity zone. The Bitcoin prepares a liquidity grab as BTC price momentum 67,000. The BTC kept up pressure on the key resistance into April 24 as research showed whales buying the dip. So we see these whales buying the dip. One more sign that will literally just go sideways and the parabolic move it is about to happen. That's the BTC USD 1-hour chart time frame sourced by TradingView. The Bitcoin Wells says that the BTC price action circled 67,000 after a boost of the latest daily close data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView confirmed. It's still between a narrow range, bulls continuing to grind away the nearby order book liquidity. Here we have the liquidity heat map sourced by CoinGrass. According to the current figures from monitoring resource CoinGrass, a bid war around 35 million on Binance was taken into the daily close, with the book of Ask liquidity now sitting between 67,000 and 67,500 USDT. A 1-month overview of the order book illustrates how dynamic changes in the liquidity placement impact overall price action. Trading resource material indicators wrote in part of an expert formerly Twitter. The net effect of blocks of Bitcoin Ask liquidity moving lower and some blocks will bid liquidity moving higher times up the active trading range to roughly 62K to 68K. Here we have the BTC USDT order book liquidity for Binance with well volume source material indicators X in a accompanying chart. Additionally, showed a trading behavior among classes of Bitcoin wells. Of interest, the 1 to 10 million order category, which is in contract to orders, increased exposure through April. This adds to existing findings from search firm Sentiment, with a new analysis now revealing FOMO in the power of the wallet, with a balance between 1,000 and 10,000 BTC worth 66.7 million to 667 million. Bitcoin key world tie holding 1K to 10K BTC are supporting this rise and now have accumulated 266K more BTC since the start of 2024, Simon wrote in X commentably. He said this translates to an accumulation of 1.24% of the entire supply. The crowd is also showing a high degree of FOMO. So we see this FOMO on a market. Here is the BTC USD chart with the world holding data sourced by Segment X. The class of well under examinations now owns more than a quarter of the BTC supply, hitting out for new record high. The Bitcoin price action seeks unsteady quietness. The day prior, meanwhile, trading firm KCP Capital suggested that crypto market could enjoy a final stretch of a low volatility before SIMS shift take hold. Into the latest edition of the New York Caller market update sent to Telegram channel subscribe, KCP described that is called unsteady quietness. The BTC is marked at the middle 60 to 73K range, and the BTC front evolves have triggered down closer to 6%, it wrote. Just last week, we had both BTC hovering and the market was panicking over the outbreak of the war in the Middle East, which has since escalated. So that was not a very great thing. Close to the hobby. However, we have the Bitcoin ETF flow table from Farside investors over here, so we can keep tracking everything until 33 of April. Analysis reference the recent Bitcoin funding rate as low but steady return of interest to the United States for Bitcoin exchange traded funds ETFs. The demand for TradeFi continues to stream. In average, is a slower pace, with the BlackRock posting 70 consecutive days of inflows. The update concludes, this is the calm before the bullish storm. I also agree with it. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading moves involves risk, and readers should conduct their own market research. And yes, guys, I would like to add my comment to this statement. I also think that this is the calm before the next parabolic move, and I do not expect the Bitcoin price to drop. In fact, we had these massive ETFs and other things in the market as well. Moving back to coin market cap, let's have a look on what is currently playing out today. The cryptocurrency prices by market cap. The global crypto market cap is currently sitting at 2.44 trillion, a 0.6 increase over the last day. Fear and greedy index is at 64. Pretty neutral once more. Nothing is happening. We're literally sitting sideways, but that is actually a bullish thing perspective. If we're not dropping, it is interesting. However, we are holding. So let's go into gainers and losers of the day, so we can analyze a little bit better what is going on. So today, cryptocurrency gainers and losers, it is Hedera Habar, currently trading at 0.13, a 46.43% move to the upside. So this coin has been up nearly 50% on the past 24 hours. Bonk on a second place, Dog with a Hat on a third place is up 70.48%, and Bonk 32.06%. We also have Floki and Pepe, as I mentioned yesterday. Pepe is looking into the next crazy pump. Ondo also moving a little bit. What else? Those are actually doing well. I think Fetch AI, it is an interesting blockchain to keep tracking on, as artificial intelligence tokens will overtake the market some way, somehow. people are interested on investing in exciting things. So top losers today it is GNO. The current price is sitting at 361.98, a 9.74% drawdown from the past 24 hours. AKT, I remember that was on a top gainer and now is on a top loser. So it might be an interesting one to just catch it for the next pump. Okay, it's currently at 5.10. The price is trading at. We have Core, which is an interesting blockchain, is doing really, really well for this past months. Currently trading at 2.46 and is down 7.62%. Other blockchains and other tokens and other crypto projects also, but nothing like we like to see. Let's move over to cryptobubbles.net just to see on the weekly. It is looking absolutely bullish for the crypto altcoins, I would say. It's even hard to find a dip today as everything is pumping like crazy. Bunk has gone up 98% on the weekly. Habar, it's 70% up. So that's nothing like Forex. We're literally doing 100% up, but be careful if you are trading these coins. We have a lot and lot of vitality in the crypto market. So today's one of the best picks would be the Tone coin from Telegram. Pardon, we have the OTB token, the MTR, and pretty much everything else is pumping. So if we go to the daily, it is a little bit different. So if you want to catch the best opportunity, go to something that is like 7% to 10% in case you are interested on making a better profit, okay? If not, you can trade the top ones, but just make sure to enter and exit on the right time. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I'll see you tomorrow at Voice of Crypto once more. Don't forget to join our Telegram to keep tracking every single move of the market. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.